Today I'm going to show you how to make this rock solid mount for your Canon S Mini mount. I've already done one test try with one of these cold shoe mounts. Here's the one with the chunk out of it. Let's get to work. Pray that the nibbler lives through this, because I did get one successful nibble. Now we got two of them. We're gonna have to do some filing too. Come on. 3. Get that little piece off too. Now you can see a nice shiny part there. See how well does that come through. Wow, I might not have to do anything more to get it to go in there. Okay, just don't need too much more off the other side. Let's use this handy dandy vise which I bought for this project. Run it all the way in so that we can vise down this piece and do a little filing on it. This is what happens when you don't have a shop. All I have is a garage that has a whole bunch of stuff in it, which will probably get cleared out shortly. Now we have it viced down, so we can bring out a mill and bastard file and just smooth out that rough edge there. And who knows, maybe the next time I'll just use the file to do the whole thing, because it is soft metal. It comes down pretty fast. A lot faster than I thought. And I'm going to use that for the other side though, definitely, because I don't have to come down very far to finish it off. This vise isn't working too bad. It's doing holding it exactly the way I wanted to hold it. There's a toss-up between using a vise or a C-clamp. I had a couple of C-clamps, but I was thinking of getting a larger one, like maybe a 4 or 6 inch C-clamp. But this is a drill press vise. Perfect for small little projects on your table. Almost fit. This is not a precise science here. Let's see, we'll get a little bit more off of here, just spin things out, and we'll do the other side. Notice that I'm just going in one direction with the file. If you go backwards, it'll dull the file. So you don't want to do that. We used to do a lot of filing on our ski edges to make sure that they were nice and razor sharp. Well, not really razor sharp, just perfect 90 degrees so that it cut into the ice better. Whoops. Didn't vise it down hard enough on that last go. And we're checking it out against, getting closer. Actually, I think that's it. Let's just round off these corners a little bit on the edge, so we bevel it down a little bit. Let's see. We're just taking off just ever so small amount and then going back at it. This one looks like it could go off a little bit more on that side right there. That looks pretty good. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Now that will bring us in. We can stop at the plastic. All right. Let's see what we do with one. Will this run down? Oh, don't go on. I don't want that. Turn off. Ooh, that's nice and sturdy in there. We have the cold shoe mount in, and it's nice and sturdy. I call this a win. The other thing that's great about this cold shoe mount, so you can just take off. You don't need the precise measurement here. Just take off here and take off here on both sides. Get it to fit and get it so that this is coming over. These are the ingredients that I used. Ow. One cold shoe, standard cold shoe adapter, 1/4 inch. You can get these anywhere. And then this one is a hybrid cold shoe, because it does both 5/8 and a 1/4 inch. What was important was to get the length here, which is about a little bit more than 1.5 inches. And these are 2 metal spacers. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Love you all. Have a great day. Bye-bye.